Did you know these facts about Pennsylvania, the Keystone State? Check out the state seal, the state flag, the state bird, the ruffed grouse, the state fish, the brook trout, and the state flower, the mountain laurel. Our objective today is to look at what geographic regions is Pennsylvania divided into. By the end of the lesson, you should be able to identify the 5 regions of Pennsylvania. Remember from a previous lesson, a region is a land area that is grouped together and has common features. The following are regions in Pennsylvania, highlighted on the map: Atlantic Coastal Plain, Piedmont region, Ridge and Valley, Allegheny Plateau, and the Erie Plain. Which Pennsylvania region do you live in? Let's take a closer look at each of the regions. The Atlantic Coastal Plain and its landforms. A plain is a flat land. They can be low or high in elevation. The Atlantic Coastal Plain ranges in elevation from sea level to a few hundred feet above sea level. This land is rich soil for good crop production. However, not much farming occurs because of the many buildings here. Philadelphia, which is in this region, is Pennsylvania's largest city. Let's check out some facts about this region. This region is located in the southeastern part of Pennsylvania. Philadelphia is known as a port city. This is because ships can sail up the Delaware River from the Atlantic Ocean to import and export goods. This region was part of the ocean millions of years ago. And check out the snowfall and the rainfall rates each year. The Piedmont region is next, highlighted in blue on the map. This region includes Amish country in Lancaster County. The Piedmont region lies at the base of a mountain and has gentle rolling hills. It has the longest growing season in Pennsylvania because of its milder climate. The city of Lancaster is in this region also. Here, agriculture and materials are produced and sent around the country. This region contains many farms which are run by the Amish. Amish are people who farm without modern equipment because of their religious beliefs. Some facts: the Piedmont region starts just west of Philadelphia and extends northwest to Harrisburg. It has some of the best soil in the United States. Many different animals are raised and many different crops are grown here. This region contains many factories that process food. Ridge and Valley region is next, highlighted in green. Think about that. What does ridge and valley mean? A ridge consists of hills and mountains in a narrow chain. The elevation of the ridges in this region range from 800 to over 2,000 feet above sea level. A valley is the land of a lower elevation between two ridges. The soil in these valleys are excellent for grazing cattle and growing crops. The Ridge and Valley region is located northwest of the Piedmont region. It's about 100 miles wide. Each ridge and valley is given a separate name. The Great Valley runs the entire length of the Pennsylvania Ridge and Valley region. The Allegheny Mountains, which are part of the Appalachian Mountain Range, are located in the western border of this region. Check out the snowfall and the rainfall. It's a little bit more in this region than in the Philadelphia area. Next up is the Allegheny region, highlighted in yellow on the map. This includes the Pennsylvania Grand Canyon. Let's look at the landforms. A plateau is defined as land that has a higher elevation than its surrounding area. The elevation of the plateau in this region range from 800 to greater than 3,000 feet above sea level. In this region, there are many rivers, streams, and thick forests. The Pocono Mountains, one of the mountain chains in this region, reach over 2,000 feet high. The area of this region is more than half of the area of Pennsylvania. The Erie Plain region is our last and smallest region in the state of Pennsylvania. Once again, a plain is a flat land with lower or higher elevations. The Erie Plain, while flat, is over 700 feet above sea level. The Erie Plain borders Lake Erie, which is one of the Great Lakes. The city of Erie is a port city because its goods can be imported and exported along the Great Lakes. The Erie region is located in the northwest part of Pennsylvania. At one point in time, this plain was part of Lake Erie. Near the center of this plain lies Pennsylvania's third largest city, Erie. Due to its location near Lake Erie, this area is in a snowbelt region. Snowbelt regions get a lot of snow in the winter since they are by a lake. It's called lake effect snow. Check out these snow totals. They're greater than any other region in Pennsylvania. Let's review. The Atlantic Plain region has good soil but few farms because of lack of rain, large population of buildings, the Allegheny mountain range. If you thought large population of buildings, you'd be correct. Why does the Erie Plain get so much snow? Its proximity to Lake Erie, the flat landform, or it is a port city. Its proximity to Lake Erie and that lake effect snow. Hopefully at the end of this lesson you now have a better understanding of the 5 regions of Pennsylvania. In our next lesson, we'll continue to look at the regions of the United States.